guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing hoverboard versus dirt bike. The hoverboard and dirt bike is mine. Camden is just riding it today because
I can't ride a hoverboard.
Yeah, he can't ride a hoverboard. But just to let you guys know, don't try to ride a motorcycle with a broken leg.
Trained professional.
Yeah, he's a trained professional.
I've been riding bikes for 8 years and dirt bikes for 4 years.
Yeah. So he knows what he's doing. Yeah. He knows what he's doing.
So guys, this thing is in first gear.
Yeah.
First gear goes 11 miles per hour.
10 to 11.
10 to 11. In second gear, it goes 20 to 21.
Let me get experience.
So the hoverboard, I don't think it can go 20.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it in gear 1. Okay. Okay. I have a feeling he's gonna win though. Why did I go down this? Oh frick! And guys, just so you know, the hoverboard rider. I've been riding hoverboards for about 4 years. 2 to 3 years, so
basically have the same amount of experience on dirt bikes and hoverboards.
Yeah.
I had a hoverboard, it broke, but I also have like 3 years of experience.
Yeah. So we're trained professionals. We know what we're doing. Yeah. Is that in gear 1?
Yeah.
Okay, let's head to the park. Let's begin. the rota.
By the way, guys, if you hate beeping, then you should probably click off this video. You know
Yeah, because this hoverboard is going to be like beep, 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 beep.
Jake, riding this dirt bike helps with my poop cough. I can already tell.
It does?
Yep.
That's cool.
Or just being outside in the nice, cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cold outside, so yeah. I guess it's kind of cold outside, so we're just gonna see how it goes. So yeah, we're gonna start the race soon, and we are gonna do this thing as good as possible. But I'm only gonna keep my hoverboard on the path because, oh my goodness, he is kicking up some dirt. Oh, it's dirt. It's a dirt storm. It's a dust storm. Oh! Oh my goodness, there's so much dirt. Oh, my eyes. Oh, wow. Hey, guys. Is that in gear 1?
Yeah.
Oh, when shall we start the race?
Wait a minute. I'm going to put it in gear 2 and show them how fast it goes.
Yeah, it goes, I guess, really fast. Okay, time to do some donuts. Woo!
Here's the burnout in gear 2. You guys saw the burnout in gear 1, so let's do gear 2. Stand back.
You gotta hold it down. I know a better spot to do it, but it's all the way down there. I'm gonna have to I can't ride my hoverboard down there though, so I'm gonna have to walk, or I guess run. Oh yeah, got it. No. Oh yeah, right there. Here, let me try it. You can record.
I'm gonna gun it. Last time I didn't.
Here, do it right here. Pinpoint location. Right there.
Let me turn around.
Takes so long for him to turn around though. Gets crazy. Right there where that little circle is. the gear is in the sand.
Oh.
I don't think you're getting that out. Here, are you strong enough?
Not supposed to be.
Because I can lift that thing. This thing weighs like 100 pounds. Okay, we got it.
Okay. We're good.
And you didn't do it where I told you to do it.
Can we go?
Look at that.
Now I'm about to do it.
Woo! That was sick. Let's go back to the hoverboard. Start the race.
Wait, no, because I didn't even tell them how fast it goes.
Okay.
We just did burnout.
You're done it.
Down the same. Okay.
You aren't flooring it. Oh, hey, dog. Camden, get back here.
Remington.
Your guys' dog is getting too close to the bike.
Rem, come on.
Dog's coming. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna turn the hoverboard. Get on it. Fingers. Okay.
So where are we racing? Main Street?
You wanna do like first one to do a lap? Okay. Starting point right here.
Right here. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, we need more of a straight thing. Let's go to the road. We need more of a straight area.
No, not yet.
Okay. So let's take over here. Yeah, this is what the hoverboard's gonna do. Y'all see that? It's beeping. It's beeping like crazy. Beeping bop. Okay. Let's do this, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay. Oh, you want to send it
Right here?
from right here to where? That little train right there.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's just unfair.
Oh, it's a tie. We tied.
No way.
We tied.
That was a tie.
No.
Hoverboard versus bike, that was a tie. Let's go up the hill. Because I was going downhill. Let's make it fair.
But that is engine brakes.
Yeah, this thing has that.
So it won't really go that fast. I mean, it'll go fast. Okay. So first round, tie. A complete tie. Get experience in a moment. How about the? Oh, that's downhill though. I'm not really good with downhill on a hoverboard.
Oh, there's a loop down here. It's not down here.
Here, I have an idea. Camden. So far it's a tie. And I don't know how that was a tie, but yeah. Camden. Get them to get explained in a moment. Camden, let's go from here to the white car, the very first white car. And guys, I might fall. I hope I don't.
3, 2, 1, go.
goodness. Did you guys see that? I literally flew off.
He won. Guys.
So hoverboard, if you want to escape somebody, use a hoverboard.
No, because this thing has 2 gears.
Well, yeah, that has 2 gears.
Don't use a hoverboard.
Yeah. That was so impressive. Look how far I made it. In maybe like 10 seconds.
Just like, look at this. So you did 10 seconds, right?
I don't know. I did it to that white car. Dude, I was going like 15. Dude, I was going like 15. And I was risking my phone and this for your guys' content. So please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this. I'm just surprised I didn't break my phone. Like, I'm surprised how my grip's so contained on the phone.
Not gonna lie, it would have been cool if you did break your phone.
Yeah, if I did fall,
We all have to.
yeah, YouTube would have gotten mad though. YouTube would have gotten mad. So, since I was going like 15 and I launched off and I didn't fall, that's how you guys know I'm a trained professional. And don't try this at home because...
And wear a helmet.
Yeah, wear a helmet.
One rule, wear a helmet.
Yeah, wear a helmet. Just wear a helmet. Just...
Especially if you're doing things like this.
Yeah, just please wear a helmet.
Look at this. Especially if you're doing this.
Yeah, especially if you're doing... Like, dun-dun-dun. What's he doing? Oh, you're going down? He's guessing going down, bro. We've been recording for 13 minutes. Almost 13. Okay, I'm gonna head into the park and end the video soon because I know you guys probably just skipped to the end to see. Yeah, don't try this at home with a broken leg.
Do that.
Yeah, don't try this at home. He's riding this bike like more time. He's riding dirt bikes more times than he can count. I got dust all over my phone. Okay, I'll see you guys next video. See you guys.